2016, the Norristown School District lost 2 students in a house fire. This weekend, the community remembers the girls by trying to save other young lives.
Montgomery County reporter Kim Hudson has more on this weekend's smoke detector blitz.
She came in speaking almost no English.
In 2016, 6-year-old Yaritza Pineda was a kindergartner at Ray S. Musselman Learning Center in the Norristown School District. Her teacher, Kelly Espinoza, remembers how sharp the child was.
By the time we were in May, she was speaking English, understanding, and writing.
But that same month, Yaritza and her sister Jennifer died in a house fire in Norristown, along with 2 adults. Fire investigators say the home's smoke detectors were not working properly. Espinoza turned that deep loss into the nonprofit Operation Mariposa, Spanish for Yaritza's favorite insect.
She loved butterflies.
As part of that nonprofit, Espinoza and Norristown firefighters will hold a smoke detector blitz on Saturday morning at 9. They will install free smoke detectors in families' homes. And that's not all. The Norristown Fire Simulator trailer will also be there, and it's a chance for kids to practice getting out if they're stuck in a fire. These young students from St. Francis Assisi School took their turn Friday.
All right, so it's getting smoky, so let's get everyone down on their hands and knees.
6-year-old Alan Perez says even as the trailer filled with smoke, he was not scared at all.
Why not?
Because we needed to crawl under the smoke.
Espinoza says she wants to make the Pineda girls proud.
I hope that they know that their memory lives on. Sorry. I know that, they are with us all the time.
Espinoza says she hopes Saturday's smoke detector blitz will honor the Pineda children and help save lives. In Norristown, Kim Hudson, CBS News, Philadelphia.